going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on a lot of back-end work. We got a few orders as well that we got to get out, but most importantly, we want to get those cold emails rolling. It is 1:49 and I've already gone to a coffee shop. I've already done a decent amount of work, but I came home, I wanted to hang out with the dogs. I just needed to get my day started a little differently. Sometimes you just gotta go and do something different, get in a new environment, get your head refreshed basically. And so I did that. So we'll go and record doing that, and then we'll do some customer orders, and then we'll be done with the day. We will go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. All right, so some people asked for a fit check. So I have some cowboy boots on with some white cargos and just a white dress shirt, and it's a little tight. I think either I've been washing it too much or I've been hitting the gym a little bit more. I got my silver Cuban, my watch, and then I had 2 rings on, so I felt a little bit more fashionable than usual today, so I decided to show you a fit check because I know some of you asked. Also, update, today or tonight is the last day. I may even work tomorrow here, but my parents are coming back tomorrow, so I will be back at my normal house and I'll get back to my schedule. I'm probably waking up at 5. Like lately, I've been not waking up at 5 a.m. If you watch my last videos back when I was back at the house, those are like in days, like day 50s. I was waking up at 5 and killing it, and I feel like I've been on vacation, so I'm trying to get out, break out of that. So I'm glad I enjoyed my little vacation, but now it's time to get back to work and work a little bit harder. So I ended up making a quick tutorial on doing my Google research on creating product listings. So I will put that up sometime this week, but I decided to add another video sometime this week. And then after that, I just kept on doing the back-end Shopify work. So I'm using ChatGPT right here and creating the designs, which I'll show you. Because this is the video that I made. It is for decal for roofers. And so I'm trying to target roofers when they go on Google and they can look up roofing decals. So I have another option to send people from one website to my actual website, qualityprintsusa.com. Let me know what you think, because I think this may be a really good opportunity. So just hear me out. This is one of my listings on Amazon. It's a God's Country decal. That's the one that sells a lot. And that's the only photo I have. Now, what if I added another photo like this? It has my logo. It gives off, it shows that it's, cut out. Why buy from us? High quality, easy application, made in the USA. And then my website name in the photo. So if they want to check out my other decals, now they have the website, because I cannot put them in the link. It's in their terms of service. I can't do that. So putting it on my photo, maybe they will click it. Who knows? Let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, so this is the part where I just get all the customer orders done. So I had that goat decal I had to make, and that God's Country decal that I was actually talking about earlier. Packaging those all up, getting these designs onto the Cricut design space so I can make some stickers. This is on my eBay side, so I still have stickers I gotta get out. So I'm I'm labeling all of those envelopes, and now I'm packaging up all of these decals and stickers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Whew. All right, we are done with customer orders. It felt good today, guys. I got a lot done. I did back-end work on Amazon as well. I did not record that because I don't want to waste your time, because I don't want these videos super long, because I make one every single day and I know people burn out as well as myself. So putting less stress on myself for editing and less stress on you guys to rewatching a long video. So let me know if you want me to change anything up. I try to do the most in a video without over complicating it and making it too long. So let me know down below if you like it or you want me to change stuff up, please, because I want you guys to keep watching. I don't want you guys to get bored. Here are my orders right here. Not too much. Like, I've deleted a lot of my listings or put them away, suppressed them for now, so that I can focus on the ones that sell a lot through FBA. So anyways, let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so on eBay, we had a pretty good day at $49.20, so almost 50 bucks. And then on Amazon, we made $560, which was not bad. It was a really low day for a while, so that's good. So we made $610 yesterday, so, it's not where we need to be at, because we are at $4,251. We need to be at over $7,000 to be at the $30,000 mark. We're looking at like a $20,000 month right now. So we really got to push ourselves. We really got to get there. So, if you guys haven't followed me and you guys are interested in watching me hit the 30K mark, I'm making a video every single day until we do. So please subscribe down below if you haven't already. Give it a like for the YouTube algorithm. That would really help me. I would really appreciate it if you liked it. And yeah, I will see you all tomorrow for day 69, baby. It's Saturday tomorrow. We're gonna have a good Friday. So everyone have a wonderful rest of your Friday. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.